My name's Omar Jones. I'm a telecom specialist. I had a foreclosure. I bought a home and I was the primary owner. I decided to make some judgment calls and decided maybe I need to, get rid of the property and start renting or something like that. Later on, got a 1099 from the IRS stating that I owed like $120,000. It was like 120 that they said was wrote off pretty much by the bank. So I had friends that had that type of situation going on where they went to other accountants and it just didn't work out. I had been hearing about Mike because I was listening to WVON. It was pretty much a call-in show where you could ask questions. They call in, and at the same time, they thank Mike for other business that he had taken care of for him. I knew that he was a guy that I could trust pretty much. So I decided that, hey, I'd give it a shot. So when I came in and talked to Mike, I was even more confident because I sat down in like 10 minutes. I showed him the 1099 and he was like, hey, we can get this done. No problem. Gave me a list of documents to bring in. Pretty simple. I brought those in and he said, hey, we can get going on this. Not only was it wiped away, I was able to get a return for like $2,500. So that's huge. I mean, you would think, well, you got a debt here of $120,000. No way would you get anything back. And so I wasn't expecting anything, in all honesty, with such a huge debt. But I was able to get a return, a great return. It just seems like magic. But he explained exactly how it goes, though. So everything worked out. But I would say don't hesitate. Come right in and talk to Mike. So now I'm pretty much financially free in terms of that point. He saved me financially big time. I'm Omar Jones, and I have to tell you, Mike Fedeli and Associates definitely saved me financially. Absolutely. No doubt about it.